Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Camus Live here in the Brody House. I know you're going to love this one. It is beautiful rhubarb and apple lattice tart, and it's easy enough to make. And at this time of year, the rhubarb is just beautiful. It's perfect to use. So we have some fresh rhubarb here. I never peel the rhubarb, particularly at this time of year, because it's so young and tender and delicious. So, okay, into our pan here, put in your brown sugar. And just a little bit of butter in there. In with the rhubarb. And then a little bit of orange juice. I have a cooking apple here. Just kind of slice these down. And you're going to just let this cook for like 3 to 4 minutes. Just turn the heat right down on it. We've lined this pastry with puff pastry, correct? So you've got your tin here, it's lined with puff pastry. It's one of those loose bottom tins, so the tart will just lift out of it really, really easy. This is a really cool piece of kit though, so if you look at that. So you literally just once it starts, it's fine. Just run it down like so. And then you literally just pull it out and you get that lovely kind of lattice effect. Okay, ideally let that cool down for 15-20 minutes before you put it into. Put that over top like so. And then we've got egg wash. That's just like a beaten egg. And what that'll do is give you kind of a lovely golden brown color. Into the oven at 160 degrees for 25 minutes, 30 minutes max, I would have thought. And you're gonna lovely golden brown finished tart. You can see it here. Just lift that off. Beautiful. And then serve that with a little bit of whipped cream. How bad is that? There you have a lovely rhubarb and apple tart with lovely whipped cream on top of it. Enjoy it.